In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from WooCommerce to Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your products into Wix using the Cart-to-Cart app quickly and with confidence. First, open the Wix website and sign in so you can access your dashboard. From there, choose the site where you want your WooCommerce products to appear. This is important. You're selecting the Wix site that will receive the products. Click to open that site's dashboard. Next, we're going to bring in the migration tool. In the dashboard, use the search bar or the app market and enter Cart-to-Cart. This is the app that handles the transfer for you. Open the Cart-to-Cart app page and click Add to Site. This connects the migration tool to your selected Wix site so it can import your catalog. Once the app is added, the setup will ask you about the cart you're working with. When prompted, select WooCommerce. This tells the tool that your products are coming from WooCommerce and will be moved into Wix. The app will guide you step by step on screen. Just follow the prompts you see. Typically, you'll confirm your WooCommerce store details, choose what you want to bring over, like products, categories, images, and other related data, and then review any mapping options so names and fields line up correctly in Wix. If the tool offers a demo or sample migration, it's a great way to preview results before committing to the full transfer. When you're ready, start the full migration and let it run without closing the browser. The time it takes will depend on how many products you have and the size of your images. A few helpful tips as you go. Make sure you have admin access to your WooCommerce store so the tool can read your catalog, keep your internet connection stable during the process, and never share sensitive information like passwords or keys on screen. The app's prompts will only ask for what's necessary to connect and copy your data. When the migration completes, take a moment to verify your catalog inside Wix. Check a handful of products, confirm prices and variants, and make sure images and categories display as expected. If anything looks off, run the prompts again to adjust your selections or mappings. That's it. Open Wix, select your site, add the Cart-to-Cart app, choose WooCommerce when asked, and follow the on-screen prompts to finish the migration. With this approach, you'll move your WooCommerce products into Wix smoothly and be ready to continue building your storefront.